Hey guys, it's Misty with Mystic Gigi. Today we're going to be doing the ColourArte bloom technique and we're going to be doing a swipe. So here's my colors, but I'll also tell you the colors as we go. And they are laid down in the order that you see them. And my ratios are 2 to 3 parts untinted house paint to 1 part Jill Sonia gloss varnish or polyacrylic. The detailed recipe will be in the description below. I have a couple options down there in case you don't have the same stuff I do. And then my pillows are going to be black and white in Color Place from Walmart. It's just the satin finish, one's in black, one's in white. And you want to put enough down just to have a good pillow because we're going to spin this out after we swipe. And then also my cell activator is Australian Floetrol. I do 4 parts of that to 1 part paint. So I'm using Amsterdam Titanium White and Amsterdam Oxide Black. And I did 4 ounces of Australian Floetrol to 1 ounce of paint. That's my ratios, and that's what I seen works for me. Also, I'll show you the Floetrol bottle in just a second. If anybody is wondering what the Australian Floetrol bottle looks like, it is coming up. So those are the 2 cell activator colors, and there's the Floetrol. So that is the magic sauce. If you want some of that, you can go to fluidart.co or you can go to just Google it. I think you can get it anywhere really. So our first color is Arteza's Pearl Arctic Blue, which is a beautiful crystal blue color. And then our next color is from ColourArte, and it's called Glass Wings, and it's from the new butterfly set that you can also use in epoxy resin also. So that's a cool new feature that this set has. And I don't know why I didn't make it to where you could see that on the screen. I have a new setup that I was trying, and obviously you can't see anything I'm doing. And then that color is Turquoise Phthalo by Golden. Another pretty color. And then our next color coming up is Pebbio's Dark Cobalt Violet Hue, which is beautiful color too. And then our next color is Luna from ColourArte. And don't forget, I have a 20% off discount code. This is the coolest color ever. It's like an ashy grayish black with a purple tone. I have 20% off of ColourArte at ColourArte.com, and I'll put the discount code on the screen, and it'll also be in the description below. And this color is Azo Yellow Medium by Amsterdam. And this next color is from ColourArte. No, this one's the Golden Quinacridone Magenta. Beautiful color. And our next one is ColourArte, and it is Auora. It's either Aurora or Luna. I kind of messed the thing up. It's whatever was at the beginning of the screen. But these ColourArte pigments are amazing, and you can use them in so many different things. And then we got Phthalo, Turquoise. Oh no, sorry, that one's Prussian Blue Phthalo. And then we got Oasis, which is our last ColourArte. Look at that. Oh, love it. They're amazing colors. You guys got to get yourself some. If you don't have any yet, you should go to colorarte.com and use my code for 20% off your entire order. And also, if you are interested in doing the ColourArte technique and you are having troubles with it, I recommend taking the class. It will save you so much. And it's a no-brainer. Like, oh, sorry, this last color. This last color was Apple Rose by Primary Elements. I recommend taking the class because it is more than just the class. You learn how to do it, and it saves you a lot of time and money for people that haven't taken the class. So just stop to give it a try because it's not too expensive. Also, I have a discount code below to get a certain percentage off of the class. So feel free to go down below in my description box. There's a link to the class and there's the code for you all down there. Also, there's other links down below for KS resin. If you're a resin, they have really good deep cast resin and artist resin to top coat your beautiful paintings. And also in my description box, there is my social media links and all kinds of fun stuff. But if you guys are having problems with this technique, I do one-on-one help. If you need it, I can video chat you or whatever to help you with this technique. It's a quite a challenging technique. It's not as easy as people think it is. But this isn't the best swipe I've ever done. I'm kind of trying to do some. I'm trying to be more wild with it and more out of my shell. But I'm not a risk taker, so I just stick to my norm. So you'll see me do a little bit of differentness, but for the most part, I just stick to myself. But these colors today together are phenomenal. And my color inspiration came from Kathleen Miller she's on YouTube. She does painting on YouTube and she's amazing. Go check her out. I love her paintings. This color palette was exactly hers all day long. The colors that I put on top. Her base was just white, but I loved the colors the way they came out. So I will let you guys watch and don't forget to leave any comments if you have a question. I can more than happy to help you. All right, guys, I'll let you watch. Thank you. best one, but I think it turned out okay. I like how the black and the white stayed pretty straight and didn't go all wonky. Um, but check out the shimmer from those ColourArte pigments. The the peacock cells that it gives it. Oh, look at that. They're not the best lacing in cells, but the colors are just great. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It helps me out tremendously. And don't forget to check out the description box below. 20% off ColourArte. Go get yourself some pigments and go follow me on social media. All right, guys, I appreciate you so very much. Until next time, thanks, guys.